Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to discuss a new topic from grammar series, that is adverb, a part of speech. Okay, so let's start with what is adverb. Okay, so an adverb is a word used to modify or describe a verb, okay, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, that is adverb. Okay, example of adverbs: I will eat later. Okay, so later is adverb here. Okay, so eat verb. Okay, so eat verb here, later adverb is modifying describing verb eat. Okay, so later क्या है यहाँ पे adverb है, ये verb eat को describe कर रही है. Okay, the place was strangely quiet. Okay, so strangely adverb. Okay, it is modifying adjective quiet. Okay, he is almost always busy. Okay, so almost and always both are adverbs here. Okay, but almost adverb is describing another adverb, that is always. Okay, so ये दूसरी adverb को modify कर रही है, ठीक है, describe कर रही है, that is always. Okay, so he is almost always busy. ठीक है, next examples of adverb in sentences. Okay, the tortoise walks very slowly. Okay, here is where question. Okay, tortoise walks very slowly. Okay, so walk is the verb here. Okay, so slowly is adverb. Okay, so slowly adverb is describing verb walk. Okay, so slowly adverb किसको describe कर रही है, verb walk को. Okay, his car crashed severely. Okay, so severely is adverb here. Okay, he never bunks her classes. Okay, so never, what is never here? Adverb. Okay, this matter is quite severe. Okay, so quite, what is quite here? Adverb. Okay, this door opens frequently. So frequently adverb. Okay, he likes to do shopping occasionally. Okay, so occasionally adverb. Okay, the presentation is almost completed. Okay, so almost adverb. Okay, so seriously, gently, okay, generally, just, quickly, sweetly, carefully, fastly, okay, simply, above too. These are adverbs. Okay, so adverbs modify verbs by answering one of these questions. Okay, so नीचे question है when, where, why, how. Okay, इनमें से एक question यहाँ पे answer करती है. Okay, so they generally answer these questions: when, where, why, how. Okay, जो adverbs होती है इन questions को answer करती है. Okay, there may be question, when question, where question, why question and how question. Okay, so let's take some example. When question. Okay, I will eat later. Okay, so which question is arising here? I will eat later. When will you eat? So, okay, which question is coming here? When question. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे when question आ रहा है. ठीक है, so this is when question. I will eat later. This is answer of when. Okay, so verb is eat here. Okay, and adverb later. Okay, so adverb later is describing verb eat. ठीक है, so later adverb क्या कर रही है? Eat verb को describe कर रही है. Okay, next where question. Okay, stand here. Okay, so क्या है? Verb stand and adverb here. Which question is arising here? Where question. Okay, so place के लिए कौन सा question आता है? Where question. Okay, I moved forward. Okay, so here is also place. So place के लिए कौन सा question आ रहा है? Where question. Okay, so verb is moved here. Adverb forward. Okay, next how. Okay, how question. I quickly moved. How did you move? I quickly moved. Okay, so यहाँ पे कौन सा question आ रहा है? How question. Okay, so verb is moved here. Adverb quickly. Okay, so quickly adverb किसको modify कर रही है? Describe कर रही है moved, verb moved को. Okay, that's all for this session. I hope you all have understood well.